New Year's resolution. Akong 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 New Year's resolution.
Let's eat, guys! Pananghalian ni Inday, rice na fried rice. Pritong saging na may asukal. Meron tayong kamatis na may alamang, lettuce, saka yung baked chicken thigh. Di mawawala ang ating kape. Ayan. O, diba? So, yum, yum. Kain, guys!